Hi guys, my name is Will Rowe with the Wilde Team, and today we are talking about earnest money deposits. If you're a first-time home buyer, this is one of the big concerns and questions I get asked from first-time home buyers. How much do I need? Is it a part of my down payment? When do I stand to lose that money? And we're going to talk about all those different questions today. About first, what is earnest money? Earnest money is a good faith deposit that you are giving to the seller. What it's communicating is that if you, seller, accept my offer and I back out of this offer, you can walk away with this money. And it's a way to give them confidence that you're serious about buying the home. Now, Utah is a very buyer-friendly state, and there's several contingency strategies, ways that you can back out of purchasing the home and still protect that earnest money and keep it. The next question I get asked is, how much earnest money do I need? Well, in Utah, it's typically from 1 to 3% of your purchase price, depending on what your offer strategy is. Now, the more earnest money you put down, the more confidence you're going to communicate to the seller and more likely that they're going to accept your offer if you're in a multiple offer situation. And the next question is earnest money a part of my down payment? And the answer is yes. You are going to put a down payment on a first-time home, typically anywhere from 3% to 5%, depending on your loan product. And your earnest money deposit is a portion of or a percentage of that down payment. So it's not on top of. When and how do you risk earnest money becoming non-refundable? In your offer, you're going to put certain contingencies or ways that you can back out. And say, for instance, you're putting an offer in and you've made a 10-day due diligence, meaning that you have 10 days to inspect the property. And at the end of 10 days, you said, I don't want to buy the property. You can walk out and keep your earnest money if you put that due diligence contingency into your offer. How does my team and I protect the earnest money of the first-time buyers that we work with? The first thing is that education. We try to make you understand what it is so that you're aware of ways that you can miss out on or lose that earnest money. Next is that we have really great communication. Once you go under contract with me and my team, I have a full-time transaction coordinator. She sends out weekly emails just helping you understand what we have next and how many days until that earnest money goes non-refundable. It's our job to make sure that you walk away keeping that earnest money in case you do want to back out of the transaction. If you have any questions about earnest money, or if you're thinking about buying a home and you still haven't set up a buyer's consultation, I'd love to explain more about the process, different pieces or jargon that you might have heard floating around. And I am a coach at heart. I love working with first-time home buyers. We love to see you guys win when it happens. If you have any questions, reach out to me, 801-898-1316. You can reach me at will@wildeteam.com, and hopefully we get to talk soon.